So today we're going to dive into a new tool that could seriously change how you manage your health. It's called ChatGPT Health, and it's designed to be your own personal health navigator. Let's unpack what that actually means for you. You know that feeling, right? You get your lab results back, and it's just this jumble of acronyms and numbers you don't understand. Or maybe you're getting ready for a doctor's visit, and you're just sitting there thinking, what should I even ask? It can be super confusing and honestly a little intimidating. Well, that exact problem is what this new AI assistant is built to solve. It's all about helping you make sense of your own health journey. So, what is it exactly? Well, ChatGPT Health is a specific, totally separate feature. And the keywords here are dedicated and secure. This isn't just you typing health questions into a regular chat window. No, this is a protected space built from the ground up for these sensitive conversations. And really, the whole mission is to empower you, to take you from feeling confused to feeling clear. Because when you're more informed about your own health data, you can be way more prepared for your doctor's appointments and just feel more confident in general. But how does it all work? Well, it's not just pulling random information off the internet. The real magic comes from its ability to connect directly and securely to your own personal health info. And they've tried to make the process super simple. First, you securely link up your health records. Then, you just ask your questions, in plain English. And finally, you get back these clear, easy-to-understand explanations. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Look at the breadth of data sources it can tap into. It's not just your official electronic medical records. It can also pull in wellness data from apps you probably already use, like Apple Health, MyFitnessPal, and even Peloton. This creates a much more complete, holistic picture of your health. So once all that data is connected, what can you actually do with it? A lot, it turns out. You can ask it to finally explain what those confusing test results mean. It can help you put together a smart list of questions for your doctor. You can even get personalized advice on your diet and workouts, or help navigate the nightmare of comparing insurance plans. Okay, this brings us to a really crucial point. We have to understand the tool's limitations. It is designed from day one to be a helper, not a replacement for your doctor. And to make sure it's a responsible helper, the tool was actually developed in close collaboration with physicians. Now that is a game changer. It means the system isn't just some algorithm guessing at medical stuff. It's guided by actual professionals to frame information correctly and safely. That builds trust right into its foundation. This official quote just says it all perfectly. It's designed to help you navigate medical care, not replace it. Think of it like a co-pilot that's helping you read the map while your doctor is still the one actually flying the plane. And this lays out that distinction crystal clear. On one side, ChatGPT Health explains information, prepares questions, and summarizes your data. But on the other side, your doctor, a human expert, does the critical stuff, providing a diagnosis, prescribing treatment, and giving actual medical advice. The two roles are fundamentally different. All right, now for the other huge question on everyone's mind. What happens to all my sensitive health data? Let's take a look at the privacy controls that are built right in. The core promise here is simple and direct. Your health data stays private. Period. This is the bedrock of the whole feature, and it's backed up by some very specific and very important measures. So, how do they do it? First, your health conversations live in their own dedicated space, totally separate from your other chats. Second, and this is a big one, your health data is never used to train their AI models. That means your private information isn't being fed back into the system. And finally, you have full control. You can view or delete your data whenever you want. So, when can you get your hands on this? Well, they're rolling it out slowly, starting with a small group first to get feedback and make improvements. After that initial phase, the plan is to expand it to everyone on the web and on iOS. And that kind of brings us to our final thought. This is more than just a cool new feature. It's a potential shift in how we think about and manage our own well-being. It leaves us with this huge question, doesn't it? How will AI tools like this actually change our relationship with our own health? Are they going to make us more engaged, more proactive patients? Is it going to change the dynamic in the doctor's office? It's definitely something we'll all be watching very closely.